Welcome back to Terminal Custom Guns. Today we have a Tikka T1 that is being used for ARA shooting, and this Tikka, along with a lot of the newer 22s for long range shooting, is coming with 20 millimeter or 20 MOA scope rails, which basically the front of the rail is lower so that you can shoot at further distances with the big arch of a 22 rifle. And a new one of these in a 0 MOA it's about 80 or 90 bucks. So we're going to take this one, we're going to put in the mill, and we're going to make it a 0 MOA. So what we're going to use is a set of parallels in our milling machine, and we'll put our top of the base here flat on the parallel, and then we'll machine this inside flat and this rail flat. I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually thinner on the front than it is on the back. Let's get it set up. Okay, we're using a 3/8 cent end mill, and we're gonna move the knee of our bed up. Wish I had a power knee. I'll do it. Now we don't need to machine anything in front of here because that has no contact with the barrel at all. So we'll set our depth. We'll set our depth at this location. So as you can see, it looks like we're tilted a little bit, so we're just gonna double check this. Sometimes when you tighten the vise up, it'll roll it, the part. So we're gonna reset that. Again, we'll give it another cut. Okay, now that we've machined the outside legs, we're going to come and set our depth on the inside at our lowest point and then machine that out. Okay, now that we're all machined, we're just going to break the edges down with a stone or a file, and we'll give it a try on our Tikka. Well, that modification worked perfectly. We put it on our bore cider and it picked it up probably about 8 inches from where it was on our cider, and pretty happy with how that worked out. Saves shipping in a new base and the extra cost to the customer of the additional base. So I think it was a successful modification. Thanks for watching.